face mask on.
All right, folks. Straight ahead, Augusta live stream. Don't forget an hour from now.
Once you start pouring, keep it going. It's heavy, so yeah, keep going. You're pushing against that. Okay, a little bit more. Don't push against the wheel.
Wow.
Yeah, good.
Sit there and hit it to get the bubbles out. Quay sitting there popping the bubbles on top.
We need a drummer to be doing this. So the Swiss guys really go to extremes to keep heating the top so it doesn't crater in the middle. So we've had really good luck and it hasn't cratered on us.
Cratered? What's cratered?
It does like a volcano.
Okay. Okay.
So the drift comes from somewhere. That's a good sign and a bad
Just sit there and beat on it.
This sign is penetrated all the way down. That sign is it. I don't even see where it came from. I don't either. See where it hit?
Yeah, there. Oh, right there. I was trying to see it.
Bad sign is if it's too hot at the bottom, it comes out.
Clay just keeps checking for bubbles.
Try not to center those humps or those bubbles. That big hump in them. Might be good. Better be good. I don't think you want to touch that with your finger.
No, I'm not going to touch it. How would he feel good, George?
No, it would just take it right off. Skin, flesh, everything. And it would sear it shut so it wouldn't even bleed.
That'd be a plus, I guess. I could keep working.
It'd be a plus. The nerves would tell you different.
So anything else important on
Good job.
pouring?
Anything important what?
On pouring.
Well, it's a heavy metal, so when you pour out of a glass, it just goes like this. Heavy metal goes in arcs like that. And so when he started, he was worried he wasn't going to get it in, so he's pushing the ladle against this, trying to make sure he had it.
Okay.
And so once he filled it, you know, it was tipping it, but I managed to push it back, and then he was out here and didn't touch it the next time. But it goes out like that. So when if you're real close and you start to pour it, it'll shoot clear over the other side. So you gotta just make sure you know that it's going to go at an arc.
Okay.
And it's not going to just dribble off the edge
It's
like
actually
a
going
glass
to shoot
does.
out, kind of. Okay. Okay. Now, how long does this have to sit?
Hour and a half, depending on the
An hour and a half.
temperature around here.
Okay.